So welcome to another episode. Welcome to another episode with the farmer. In this video, we wanted to actually talk about high cost of livestock feed, how to cope with it as a farmer. So I have here with me an expert in pig farming, who has been in pig farming for more than 2 decades now, and is here to share his experience and also give an advice on how to actually cope with it. If you are new on this channel, please don't forget to like this video, and if you are a returning subscriber, thank you, and we really appreciate coming back to watch this video. So let's talk with Mr. Rotimi. So how can a farmer cope with this high cost of livestock farming?
Okay, first and foremost, I want to establish one thing that feeding in livestock accounts for 70% of total cost of production.
Okay.
As a producer, as a pig farmer or poultry farmer or whatever, it is far cheaper and better for every farmer to produce their own feed.
Okay.
It is cheaper compared to buying commercial feed.
Outside.
It is cheaper. Then it is even better because you are sure of what you are feeding what you are using to compound your feed. Because when you check the label on some of this feed, you will see it will be outlined percentage of food, protein, percentage of so the vital nutrients. Some of these producers are not truthful. Some of them are not truthful. So what makes it cheaper? As a livestock farmer, as a pig farmer, poultry farmer, I would advise every farmer to go to have a section for maize production.
Maize production.
Yeah.
Okay.
See, it's going to be far cheaper if you have a section where you cultivate maize. So you won't depend. Many farmers don't realize this when it comes to feeding pig. You don't have to depend on the harvested grain alone.
Okay.
Yeah. The entire stock, the stock, the leaf, the stem, everything, the cob, everything. There's a machine which you can use to blend it. You blend everything together. It's rich in fiber. It's rich in energy.
Okay.
So when you have that one, then all you need to do is to add some other ingredients, like for example PKC that gives you that's a source of fats.
Okay.
PKC, if you can afford soya bean in the right proportion, you add soya bean. You had vitamin premix and amino acids. Then your little salt. Once you get the feed formulation, it's easy to do. So by the time you make use of the whole maize plants, not the grain alone.
Not only the grain or the
You got to make your feeding cheaper for you. And one good thing about pig is this: they are good converter of feed to flesh. They convert feed to flesh very fast. Cost of feeding here now in this country is on the high side now.
Yeah, very high.
So many farmers, they are finding very difficult to cope. But if you can afford to have maybe a few acres of land or hectares of land, what's coming from cultivating your maize and the maize, the stem, the stalk, everything is useful. Nothing is a waste. You blend everything together with the grain, everything. Then you add other things. You feed your pig.
So now, in your own this thing now, are you also planting maize now, or you planning to plant?
That's what we've been doing for years now. So that's what we've been doing. So it's making it cheaper for us.
Okay.
And it's making it easier for us to feed. A lot of pig farmers are lamenting the cost of feeding now. In fact, some farmers have been shut down their farms. But I will encourage you to go into crop production and then what's it called? Maize production. It will make it cheaper for you to feed your pig.
So maybe in our next video, you can visit your maize farm.
Fine.
So that at least we'll be able to.
I have several hectares of maize.
Okay. Yeah. So maybe we're going to do that. Thank you for this.
It's my pleasure.
Okay. See you. Thank you for watching this video. Please don't forget to like this video, turn on the notification bell, and subscribe to this channel. Thank you and see you in our next video.